Brimstone 2 precision-guided missiles have been delivered to the armed forces of Ukraine, the UK Ministry of Defence confirmed in a video posted on Twitter on November 27. The clip shows what the UK ministry said was the important mission of delivering Brimstone 2 to an undisclosed airfield. The missiles are part of a military aid package. They were designed to be launched from aircraft at ground targets, but, according to the UK ministry, Ukrainian ground forces have successfully employed Brimstone to destroy armored vehicles and tanks. This aid has played a crucial role in stalling Russian advances, the UK Ministry of Defence said. Brimstone 2 is an upgraded version of the Brimstone missile system. The missile now has an improved homing head, modular design, improved airframe, and updated software. Launched from the air, it has a range of up to 60 kilometers, while from the ground it can hit targets from 10 to 12 kilometers away. It also has laser guidance. UK media initially reported the transfer of the missiles to Ukraine on November 21. And a 100-mile strike weapon is weighed for Ukraine. GLSDB is GPS guided, can defeat some electronic jamming, is usable in all weather conditions, and can be used against armored vehicles, according to Saab's website. The GBU-39, which would function as the GLSDB's warhead, has small, folding wings that allow it to glide more than 100 kilometers if dropped from an aircraft and targets as small as 3 feet in diameter. The rocket bomb can be fired from NATO and South Korea rocket launchers, including what Ukraine is currently using. The GLSDB combines an M26 ground-based rocket motor from the Multiple Launch Rocket System with Boeing's air-launched GBU-39B SDB. It has a range of 150 kilometers, 93 mile, can attack both stationary and moving targets, and can be ground-launched from a wide variety of launchers and configurations, according to Saab. Saab expects first contract soon for new GLSDB artillery weapon. Saab announced in November 2021 that 2 Norwegian companies, Nammo and Nordic Shelter, had joined the GLSDB team, providing expertise on rocket motors and launchers, respectively. GLSDB builds upon the proven and successful small-diameter bomb increment and multiple launch rocket system rockets. SDB is a 250-pound class weapon with an advanced anti-jam GPS system-aided inertial navigation system, combined with a multi-purpose, penetrating blast and fragmentation warhead and programmable electronic fuse. According to the document, a Boeing proposal to U.S. European Command, which is overseeing weapons headed to Ukraine, the main components of the GLSDB would come from current U.S. stores. The M26 rocket motor is relatively abundant, and the GBU-39 costs about $40,000 each, making the completed GLSDB inexpensive and its main components readily available. Although arms manufacturers are struggling with demand, those factors make it possible to yield weapons by early 2023, albeit at a low rate of production. Developed in partnership with Boeing, our GLSDB is exceptionally flexible, highly effective and accurate over long distances. GLSDB advantages: increased range guided artillery accuracy to within 1 meter all angle, all aspect attack, even targets behind launch point multiple rockets to act against many targets, with near simultaneous impact all weather, 24/7 capability terrain avoidance, such as mountains cave breaching capability launchable from hidden or protected positions to avoid detection programmable impact and delay fusing for deep penetration or proximity height of burst SDB focus lethality munition, FLM, variant for low collateral damage laser SDB variant for moving target capability. Another weapon, the Joint Direct Attack Munition, ubiquitous in U.S. inventories, is a standard unguided bomb that has been fitted with fins and a GPS guidance system.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.